Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Outbrain, complete guide step by step clearly. To install Outbrain, start by visiting the Outbrain website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Click on the Get Started button to initiate the process. Fill in the required information in the sign up form. Once you have completed the form, click Sign Up. You will receive a confirmation email. Open the email and click on the confirmation link. Log in to your Outbrain account using your credentials. Navigate to the Campaigns section in your Outbrain dashboard. Click on Create a Campaign to set up your first campaign. Select your campaign type based on your marketing goals. Specify the destination URL where your audience will be directed. Choose your budget and set daily spending limits. Define your target audience by selecting demographics and interests. Once you have entered all campaign details, click Save to proceed. Next, connect your website by adding the Outbrain tracking tag. Access the Settings section in your dashboard. Locate the Tracking section and click on Install Outbrain tag. Copy the provided JavaScript code. Paste the code into the header section of your website's HTML. Ensure the tracking tag is present on every page you want to track. Save and publish your website changes. Return to the Outbrain dashboard and verify the tag installation. You can use the diagnostics tool in Outbrain to check for any issues. Once your tag is verified, you can start running your campaign. Monitor the campaign performance through the analytics provided. Adjust your campaign settings as needed based on performance insights. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.